Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect videos to CMS in Framer. This is incredibly useful if you're managing a website with multiple video entries and want to streamline your content management process. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you manage multiple projects, as this will ensure you're working with the right content. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From here, click on the project where you want to add video functionality to your CMS. This opens up your project workspace where you can start making changes. Now look toward the top of the screen and click on CMS. This is where all your content management settings live. Once you're in the CMS section, you'll see an option at the top labeled Edit Fields. Click on that to access the field customization area. This is where we'll configure the video connection. A new box will appear on your screen showing all the existing fields in your CMS. On the upper right corner of this box, you'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click it to add a new field. From the drop-down menu that appears, select File. This field type is essential because it allows you to upload and store video files within your CMS structure. At this point, you have the option to rename the field if you'd like to give it a more descriptive name, such as video or video upload. This helps keep things organized, especially if you're working with a team. Next, look for the file type's input field and type in .mp4. This ensures that only MP4 video files can be uploaded, which is the most common and compatible video format for web use. Once you've set that up, close the box. Now it's time to actually connect a video to your CMS. Click on an article or content entry within your project. Then click Insert, and from the options that appear, select Image and Video. This opens up the Media Upload interface where you can choose your video file. Go ahead and upload a video from your device. Once the upload is complete, you'll see that your video is now connected to the CMS and can be dynamically pulled into your site wherever that CMS entry is displayed. This makes managing video content across your entire Framer project much more efficient. And there you have it, your video is successfully connected to CMS in Framer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.